I don't know the significance of this dream. I did not want to post it because I have been praying about it. But with everything that we hear going on, with the Haitians coming over and eating animals in people's front yard, this dream symbolizes, it's all symbolization of things going on. So some people might get offended at first, but know that we have very close friends that are different in color, and this is not directed to them, but God used them as a symbolization in this dream. So we love the people that are mentioned in this dream, and it was only meant to symbolize a certain particular portion of the dream. Okay, so take this to Jesus Christ, but it needs to get out there. It is very important, meant for a warning, and we totally missed it. Please, Jesus Christ Yeshua Hamashiach, forgive us for missing this one. Please watch until the end and read the captions. God bless. We love y'all, and Jesus loves you more.
Feuding, eating the animals that are on their property. It's like we got to a point where we were tired of feuding, fighting each other. Like you and I were on different sides. And I snuck over and you were hiding with me, or hiding me to make your presence known. And I finally got tired of hiding. So I just popped up. And the ones that didn't want me there, I killed and threw across the street. And the other ones just accepted me. That's where I woke up.
What do you think it means?
I don't know, it's really strange.
Do you remember any specific people?
Just me and you. I'm pretty sure it was Stacy and Sharon and all them, because I'm not trying to sound racist or anything, but it was a big black family. I don't think it was specifically them, but it was like them. They would sing and stuff. But it was nothing but fighting and trying to survive. Scrapping off the land to live, to eat.
Like on
Stealing
the
from
retreat?
each other.